This is another place, the part 2 of way of making money with your phone. 3 hours, 5 hours, and Upwork. And in part 1, we learned how to make logo, flyer, and brochure. So at your free time, or the time of lockdown, you can use it to be making money online. So you have to train yourself very well to know how you make money. Like there are some people who want to buy pictures. You can come with different type of pictures. You can also be selling pictures online through your phone. They will pay you. You just download this application, install it to your phone, and be using it. You can snap a picture with your camera and bring it here and sell it and use the money for yourself. You can decide that you want to sell video. You want to sell your content animation. Go to Google Play Store and download the app. Shortest call, you can download it, that video also. You can sell those pictures for $15, $14. FOP, you can go there and sell your picture and video. You snap picture, you sign up on your phone. The next thing, upload your picture there. FOP, if you upload picture, you'll be collecting money for it. You can also increase your knowledge. You can also learn. As you are at home, you need to learn. You can go to this, you can install this app and use it to learn in your house, in your room. Free course online, just tap it, free course online tutorial. Tap it in your Google Play Store and you download the app and learn. This one also, EDX. There are some days of you just pay for online the learning and you get your certificate from all this university. They will charge you $150, $100 for the certificate and above. There are different universities that we train you, that we teach you. California University, Harvard University, Manchester University. So you use it to train yourself for 5 days, 10 days to train yourself. Have your certificate according to what you will be doing online. After the lockdown now, you will come out with a certificate. You are well qualified. You can go with your phone. If you don't have a laptop, you can use your phone to sign up. So the best thing is to start now, to start doing something. Anything you can do, start doing it now. So use the opportunity also to learn about computer. Learn some things. If you are new in area of computer, go to all these apps and use them to learn basic things of computer for free. Computer basic course for free. And use it to learn computer, learn different things. What is software, what is how to do things. You'll be learning. When you'll be free now, the lockdown will be over, you will come out with the knowledge. How to set some basic things that you can learn from about computer, some courses. Search for it, install the app and start learning it. If there's not enough memory in your phone, you can use one application. After you remove it and put another one, they are changing like that till you finish learn everything. From there now, you will be okay. You will be a better person that with a greater knowledge. So with this one now, you can learn. You can be. That is the part 2 of how to make money with your phone. There are many companies that give opportunity for somebody to be making money, to be collecting money. So if you see some other one, they will ask you to do some work. You will do the work. They will ask you to collect the money through PayPal, but as in Nigeria, it doesn't collect money through PayPal. This one that I've shown you now, you can use it through Pioneer or some other way you can collect your money in Nigeria here. So if you go there, if you go to all these sites, they will give you basic computer skill, online social thing. They will teach you how to set up email, Gmail, some basic thing that you can learn. All those things you need to learn, you can learn them if you don't know them. How to respond to email, to manage email, all of them, they will teach you. So you can also play the video and they'll be watching and be getting trained. Like this app now, you can download it, computer basic for free, online. So this one, this is where you can sell your phone, you can sell your video. You can sell your video. So thank you very much. You cannot use paper to. You can use paper to pay, but you cannot use paper to collect money in Nigeria. You can use Pioneer to collect your money in Nigeria. You can use Perfect Money. You can use some Bitcoin. You can use some other way to collect your money in Nigeria. So thank you. Help us share the video and like it.